Hello everybody, this is Rachel from Mushroom Moon Designs, and today just wanted to share with you this journal that my mum made out of the digital paper packs that I have designed, one for Ravenclaw and one for Slytherin from Harry Potter. On my Etsy shop you can also get now the Gryffindor and the Hufflepuff packs, but I will link all those down below. I just wanted to share with you what kind of thing you could do with these pages, and how you could make your own Harry Potter themed journal like my mum has done here. So to start off with, we've got the cover, which is made from one of the papers I designed, which looks like a book cover, an old book cover. This one says Wanderings with Werewolves, and on the back it says Gadding with Ghouls by Gilderoy Lockhart, and those are two of the books that the character Gilderoy Lockhart wrote in Harry Potter, and my mum has just printed them off, and she has laminated them. She's double-sided laminated them with another one of the papers from the pack. This is from the Ravenclaw pack. This paper here is from the Gryffindor set, and as you can see, it's got some old grungy red and gold wallpaper, and it's got an old fireplace with all the letters addressed to Harry Potter flying out of the chimney. So on the next page she has used some of the Ravenclaw kit, and this owl image is available in the Gryffindor pack, I think. And then she's also used some of the ephemera, which she has laminated on one side so you can write on the other side. It says butterbeer recipe there, and she's just used that as a little journaling card. And here she's used one of the Harry Potter letters, and she's laminated it to make a pocket, and inside the pocket she's put some a little book that she's made out of tags. I think these tags are from Artie Mays, and then the lion that she has affixed to the front there is from my digital Gryffindor kit. So if we turn the page, we've got a Gryffindor page there, and I think this Dementor page is also in the Gryffindor kit. There's some more little ephemera that's included, which she's just attached as a little envelope there, which she's put this bat spleen potion on, again, which she's laminated. And if you flip that open, she's just put inside again, laminated on one side, little journaling card spaces. So I think that's from the Ravenclaw kit. I'm not sure which one that one's from, but that's from one of the kits as well. This paper here with the cat playing the violin in a witch's hat, that's from my Cats and Kittens kits, which you can find on my Etsy shop. This paper here is from the Slytherin kit, as is this one with the potion bottles on and the bats in the background. I like how she's made on this page like a see-through pocket using some sequins press between two laminated pages so that you can still see the paper. This is the Luna Lovegood Ravenclaw paper that I designed, and she's put in a little postcard. I'm not sure where that's from. And she's just again printed off and laminated. This is a quote from Professor Snape, which you can write on the back of. And the middle section is a page from the Ravenclaw kit. Again, here's another clear pocket, and I think this library card is actually from something that I've made as well. This is a Slytherin paper here, and again I think the snitch is from my Gryffindor kit. And inside the pocket, a little envelope, she has put some of the ephemera. These are like little cards. There's the outlaw, the necromancer, and the tower. There. Hope you can see them or not. Again, you can write on the back of those. And here she's just left the papers, so there's plenty of space for journaling. This is the Dementor paper, the Gryffindor paper. It's another one of my Gryffindor papers with the owl carrying one of the Harry Potter letters. And she has again made another pocket out of one of the letters and filled it with some of the potion labels that I made, so that I designed, which is printed off and laminated on one side. So there's a Polyjuice potion, Skelly Grow, Unicorn Blood, Wolfsbane, Amortentia, Gillyweed, Draft of Peace, and blue powder labels there. And she's also made a little notebook out of one of the owl pictures and some scrap paper. And then on the last page she's made a few pockets out of some of these images. This is a little journaling card. She's made a little pocket there with the Rowena Ravenclaw book quote. And she's also used again an arty maze. I think this background is with something from the Ravenclaw kit there. A little tag, and there's the other Ravenclaw paper. And then we get to the back. So there you have it. There's an example of how you can use the Harry Potter papers that I have designed and are available on my Etsy shop. I want to say thank you to my mum for making this lovely journal for my son Joseph, who is a big Harry Potter fan. And I got the idea for making these papers from my son and from my niece Erin, who is a big Slytherin fan and Harry Potter fan. So I thought I just had to design some pages with those themes in mind. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you again soon. Bye!